Hi my friends, hope all is well, and welcome to another edition of Reiki, another Reiki session. Let the plants remove all the negativity, make you feel fresh today. Plants just bring the joy and laughter back into your life. Today's session is all about removing stress. Let's get that stress out. You know, you don't need to have that stress. Make your life more pleasant. Make it more happier. You know, that's what the whole thing is. That's what life is all about. Removing that stress. Let that stress get away from you. Let it just go. You don't need it in your life. You need happiness. You need joy. You need peace, quiet, and tranquility. Peace and harmony is how I live. Yeah, these are real, huh? Nature, pure nature. Nature is the powerful of everything. Everything is all about nature. You live in a world, there's a lot of stress. Let's get that stress out of you. Let me get that out of you. You don't need it in your life. Let's just brush it away. Get that stress out of you. Okay? I'll be back with the palms later. I have an amulet, clear quartz, amethyst, black tourmaline. I found another piece. I have them all on a plate. And rose gold. It's easy for me to help heal you. With the wand sends the positive energy into you. Let it cleanse you. Let it remove all that stress, all that negative day. Was your day bad? Was it sad? Did you feel unhappy? Anxiety attacks? Get that. Let's get rid of that, okay? Alright? Let me help bring your life back to normal. Even if it's just for one day. When you watch this video, let it just help you ease your way back into healing that anxiety, healing that stress. Let's get rid of that, all that. You need to be who you are. You need to be me, you, again. Where is that me inside you? It's there. You just need to bring it out. Yes, it's after midnight. These are after midnight, and it's quieter. Right now, I can go outside and drop a quarter, and you could hear it. That's how quiet it is. It's quiet, peaceful. Healing is much stronger after night time. Made this wand I made with the powerful crystals to help heal you, help get rid of that stress, get rid of that depression, make you feel better than you are now, make you feel whole again. Tap the top of your head, your third eye, your throat, your upper chest, your midsection, your stomach, and your root. Let me cleanse, and clean. Remove all that negativity. Because I can remove the negativity. I don't have to use sage. This room is very powerful, like I mentioned. This is the healing room. We have the symbols. We have the crystals. This room is strong. One day we'll do a daytime healing with the sun blasting and hitting those crystals in your body. You feeling you with a pure energy. Like you feel it. This is nighttime. You might even do a full moon. Come out there. It's healing. You send the energy of the moon right to you. It's not a powerful healing. Plant. Upon nature's own way of saying thank you. Thank you for letting me grow, thrive. So what is hurting you today? Did somebody hurt you? Don't let them hurt you. Forget them. You have me. I am here. I'm here to help you. I'm here to make your life better. I'm here to make your life richer. I'm here to make you whole again. Make you feel again. Make you want again. You want to live. You want to get out there. You are better. Remember that. No one can say otherwise. You have it all. You are what it counts. It's you. It's all about you. You have the power. You have the might. You have the will. You can get up in the morning and say, I am me. I have it all. I have energy. I have life again. I feel good again. I am important. I am wanted, needed, loved. You are loved. Everybody in this whole, right here on my channel, you're all loved by me. You have love. You have energy. You have thrive. You hear my words. You hear it in your ear with your headphones or your surround sound. I am here for you. I'm always here for you. Hear me. Hear me. There will be a new track to go with this. Okay? And that's for stress. It's a certain frequency. Okay? Because I do entrainment. Entrainment a little different. You know, you have delta, alpha, gamma, beta, therma's for sleeping. Okay? Just remember. But just remember, whatever I do, it helps you. Okay? Helps you. Always remember, here to help you. Help you grow again. Help you be who you are. Start your day fresh. Take me with you. Someone hurts you, take me with you. Let's get rid of that hurt. Alright? Get rid of that hurt. Get rid of that hurt. Brush it out of your system. Get it out of your system. Okay? It's you. You are the one. You are important. It's all about you. It's you. It's you, just you. Just remember, you are loved. You are needed. You are a person. You love. You want. You need. You need love. You need companionship. You need friends. You are there. We're all here for you. All right? The flame of love, the flame of light, the power, the magic. It went out, but it was there. Let's bring it back again. With this flame, I send you healing. With this light, I send you healing. With this light, I send you healing and love again. Feel the healing. Feel it. Look at it. Look at the flame. It's not going to last long, but it's there. It's gone. The candle. The flame's going to go out. With this candle, I send you power. I send you healing power. It's going to go out, but I send you healing power to you. I send you the healing. I send you the light over your head, going down all through your chakras, clearing you out, removing all that negative energy. Here, we'll burn some sage. Smudge you in the front, remove all negative energy. Oops. Remove all the negative energy. Let it disappear. Let it go away. Let it stop bothering you. Let it disappear. Let the purest, goldest, healing energy come to you. Make you feel again. Make you want again. Make you be you again. Get rid of that stress. Get that stress away. Stress, negative energy. Get that out of your head. Get it out of you. Remove it. Let it go out of your head. Let it go up and out and push it out. Push it out by taking a deep breath. Release it out, the stress. Release that stress. Release it. There you go. The smoke of sage. Let it cleanse you. Let it feel you engulf you. Let it remove that negative energy. Let that energy go out of you. Uprise, up and gone. Let it go away. You don't need it. You don't need it, my friend. You don't need that in your life. Just remember, let it go, let it go, let it cleanse. You don't need it. This is apple-cider organic. This is healing powers in this stuff. This and garlic, strongest things on this planet. I practice medicine and healing. I heal with herbs and stuff. We'll do some stuff with that later on, but right now, I'm just helping you remove that stress out of your life. You don't need that stress. That stress needs to go. It needs to leave. I want it gone. I command it to be gone. We don't need you, stress. We don't need that evil. Get that out of you. Remove that out of you. Take it out. Take it out. And push it away. Take a deep breath. Push it away. Take a deep breath. Release. Push it away. Take a deep breath and push it away. Push that stress away. Push it away. Push it away. Push it away. Does you feel better now? Does you feel that's gone? Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let that stress go. Get it out of you. It's gone. Gone for good. Gone for now. But when you encounter people that cause you stress, it's going to come back, but you'll push it away. Play this video. That's what this video is for, to get rid of that stress. Let it go. 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 God. No more stress. Tonight, you will have a pleasant sleep wherever you are on this planet. I'm sending you the purest light energy to heal you wherever you are. Or your chakras are clean, you are grounded, and you can have a nice sleep. Shante, peace to you all. Bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help me as I'm helping you make this channel grow. Thank you all who have helped me. Bless you all. Again, Shante, peace.